Brand new smile, kiddo. Brand new smile. You know, there's always a chance, so we'll be conservative with these. They're going to feel weird. They're going to feel large. In a couple days, you won't feel them at all. You look amazing. How's all the makeup feel?
Feels great.
How's the hair?
I hope it looks great.
Yeah, you haven't seen it yet.
Yeah.
So, let's start with the tops. Let's try these bottoms right quick. Let me see again. They look amazing. Absolutely amazing. Got a little bit of lipstick. Okay. Let's try this. Give me a second. Right into them. Give me a few minutes. See what we got. They look great from my side. It's crazy, isn't it? Come on, look at it. Hold it straight up. Let me hold it for you. Can you see? Oh, no, kid. It'll be okay. Give it a minute, okay? It'll be all right. Hold on. We don't want to run your makeup, okay? What are you hoping it'll do? You just feel better about yourself everywhere you go?
Yeah.
Let me see. I think they look amazing.